Okay, quick video just to show you how to add me to the GMB. So from Google, just to make sure that we're both logging into the same place, go to Google My Business. Should be the first one that pops up. Google My Business, manage your business profile. I'm gonna log in. I manage a couple of different GMB listings, so all of mine should be popping up here. So we'll just go to the first one. And this is the screen that should pop up. And if you scroll down right here, add a manager to your business, send an invitation. So Bobby Malo at gmail.com. I'm obviously not going to send the invitation to myself, but I totally could. And then it would send an invitation to me so that I'm able to manage it. And you can either choose that I own it, which I don't need to in Berard's case, or just manage it. And it should shoot me over an invitation. Hope that makes sense. If not, give me a call and we'll figure out another solution. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.